In times when soil fertility is lacking, the search for natural ways to restore its vitality has become more crucial than ever. Across the ages, people have discovered effective methods to breathe life back into depleted soil, harnessing the power of nature itself to rejuvenate the earth. These materials gradually break down, infusing the soil with essential nutrients and improving its ability to retain moisture and support beneficial microbial life. Such techniques represent a return to simpler, time-tested practices, restoring balance to the garden's delicate ecosystem. Among these ancient methods is a simple but powerful technique that has been passed down through generations: burying fish heads beneath the garden beds. For centuries, this practice has stood as a natural way to infuse the soil with life, enriching it with vital nutrients that are released as the fish decomposes. Fish heads, often discarded as waste, are a source of nitrogen, phosphorus, and calcium, elements that play a crucial role in building strong root systems, enhancing leaf growth, and promoting flowering and fruiting. As the fish head breaks down underground, its nutrients are gradually absorbed into the surrounding soil, providing a steady, long-term boost to plant growth. To carry out this traditional practice, fish heads are sourced from local fishmongers or home-prepared fish, where they would otherwise go to waste. With the fish heads ready, specific spots in the garden are selected where they will be buried to benefit future crops. This method can be used for individual plants or spread across larger garden beds, depending on the gardener's needs. It's a practice often performed before planting new crops, giving the nutrients time to integrate into the soil and allowing young roots to reach this valuable resource as they develop. A hole or trench is dug in the chosen location, and the fish head is placed at the bottom. Once the fish head is in place, soil is used to cover it completely, ensuring that it remains undisturbed as it decomposes. On top of the soil, a thick layer of decomposed manure or compost is added. This organic covering not only boosts the nutrient content even further, but also acts as a natural mulch, helping to retain moisture in the soil, while providing a slow, steady release of additional nutrients over time. As weeks pass, the fish head begins to break down, releasing its nutrients into the soil and feeding nearby plants in a natural, continuous process. The decomposition can vary based on temperature and soil conditions, with warmer weather accelerating the breakdown. For gardeners who have already planted their crops, there's no need to worry. The plant roots will eventually find the nutrients as the fish decomposes. Burying fish heads is not just a gardening technique. It's a practice that reflects a deeper understanding of nature's cycles, where nothing is wasted and all is returned to the earth. If you enjoyed learning about this, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with fellow gardeners.